Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of August. I'm going to pop up some deets right here and we're going to dive straight in. I have received my standard OG Ipsy glam bag for over 10 years. And I feel like with subscription boxes in general, I really feel like we get a great bang for our buck. It's a really affordable way to test out new products, to kind of find your love of new makeup, hair, skincare, things like that. And it's also a way to introduce a new beauty into the beauty spectrum, and it's a really affordable and easy way to build a collection if that's something that you're wanting to do. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. This is my PR Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is gifted by Ipsy. I do have an affiliated link that you can click to join if you wanted to join and get a subscription. The theme for August is Get Golden. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing no matter what's next. We always have our theme, and then generally you'll have either an informational card or the QR code so you can scan and get the product deets and stuff like that. All right, right on top is the Kulfi Lassie Lips Staining Lip Oil in the shade Guava. Oh baby, I think that's gonna be really beautiful. I'm a huge fan of stains. I will try this out. I already have on like a lip gloss and stuff, but I'll try it. Next up is the, I don't know if I needed 2 lip products, but it's fine. This just kind of gives us an idea as consumers. You know, I also do my own paid for box. This kind of gives us an idea what we could receive in our boxes. Next up, I'm excited as heck about this, y'all. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. I have tried the Plum Plump, like the moisturizer. So I honestly feel like this would be more for like a nighttime or more of like a treatment type vibe, where this is like a staining lip oil, so it'll have good kind of staying power throughout the day. Next up is the Lava Los Angeles Brow Gel in Clear. I will, of course, open everything and show you what everything looks like. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, Lawless. This is the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush in the shade Duchess. Now, I've not tried a whole lot from Lawless, but I really, really like their lip products. And then last is the Fab or First Aid Beauty, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer for sensitive skin. If you've been here with me for 7+ years, I went through so many of these, you guys. If you have dry skin, but you also have very sensitive skin, I think you would absolutely love this. I'm happy to have this back in my collection. I mean, you guys, I have purchased this multiple times throughout the years. It's fantastic. It's very light. It does have a very, very faint but natural coconut scent to it. If you do not like coconut, you will not like this. But it's a very kind of more milky type of primer. It sets down. It's very thin, lightweight. I'm excited. So the rundown real quick. Again, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. You guys, I am so excited about this. That is what it looks like. And of course, everything here is a full size. And I want to say, I'm almost positive I spent more than that just for this. So the price of the entire box pretty much is right here. Let me show y'all what the Glow Recipe looks like. I do have 4 different like overnight lip treatment type things that are currently in my rotation right now, that are on my nightstand. As soon as those are gone, I will start testing some new stuff out, so I do not want to open this up to the air just yet. And then the brow gel, what I'm looking for is, does it have a very small, kind of tight little applicator, or is it larger? Oh, and I can't tell. Okay, I'm also not going to open this just yet. Again, I really try to be mindful of not being wasteful and stuff like that. Next up was the Lawless Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush in Duchess. Oh, that reminds me, this looks exactly like the Stila packaging. That's really beautiful though. Ooh, I'm so nervous because again, I don't like to be wasteful. I feel like I can already kind of tell just by looking at it that it's a little more kind of slippy and balmy in terms of like not setting down, and I don't like that. I will quickly put some on my cheeks and let it set for just a second. If this sets down and it's more of a cream that has a dry down, a set down to it, I will like it. If it is more of a cream texture or consistency that does not have a dry down, that's more of a dewy balm, I'll hate it. So we'll see. Let me go in with a different finger and pick up a little bit more. Okay, I actually might be eating my words because I feel like it is gonna dry down. It's quite smoothing on the skin. Very soft, but I do feel like you could really amp this up and punch it up. And the reason I'm saying that I think it's gonna set down is it's already kind of starting to. Whoops. 911. Okay, I think I'm gonna like it. I actually really love the shade of this as well. And I like that while I'm still pretty tan, I can use it right now, but I know that I can kind of diffuse it a little bit and go in with a less is more approach. Oh, that's beautiful. And I like that it sets, not necessarily matte, but it's not glowy. It's kind of very skin-like. That's why we should try things, you guys. I like this. I'm not even putting it back in the box. And then last up is our Lassie Lips Staining Lip Oil in the shade Guava. I do kind of want to read up on this, but there's nothing on the actual packaging. I do have a Huda Beauty lip stain of the lip liners on the outside of my lips. And the inner portion is the Makeup by Mario Super Shine Lip Gloss in Rose Water. And you can see how shiny and pouty that is. I love this. So let me wipe this off and try to maybe keep some of the liner on. I love the packaging. And what I'm looking for, oh, that's gonna be pretty. What I'm looking for with a stain is when it's kind of still shiny and stuff like that, I wanna see it, I want that to be apparent, but then as that wears away, I'll just kind of purposely make it go away. You should be left with like that little flush of color. I don't actually smell anything at all. Ooh, pretty. Very thin. All right, so definitely more of an oil. It's very thin. It almost just feels like water. So you can see with kind of it still being a little bit more shiny, a little bit more wet from the oil, how it looks. Zero stickiness. Y'all, this is very thin. Like very lightweight and very comfortable. I really like that. Not necessarily a color that I love, but I could see myself like as this kind of wears away, I think that I would be okay with it. So let me just kind of pretend that I've worn it all day long. Okay, I like that. And it did not actually transfer, oh, maybe a touch. I can barely see it, so you guys probably can barely see it too. All right, I like that. And I actually like it better as more of a stain. However, if you do have a little bit drier lips, you can see right here, my lips are a little drier. It will cling to those patches. I'm used to that. It's totally fine. Just noting it for you guys. Okay, you know what? I'm thrilled. I think this is a fantastic curation, and I think I'll get use out of literally everything here. And that's not always the case, y'all. This is, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. Like I said, literally, this is probably the cost of the whole box. This by itself is probably the cost of the whole box. This is stunning. It has set down. There's a slight little, not necessarily tack to it, but kind of grip to it, if you will. I like this. I think this is absolutely stunning. And this, I definitely would be a little bit more cautious. Maybe put it on the outside of my lips instead. Maybe like use one of the Huda stains or my regular all day, every day lip liner. But put this kind of just on the outer portion and then kind of tap it off, because I didn't really like the color a lot upon first application, but this I love, and it actually looks really beautiful with the blush color. Yeah, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. What did you guys think? Thank you so much for joining. I'm on the road, you guys, to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and there's a join button down below that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. They're also rolling out a brand new feature called Hype. You will see it right down here. And you can click that to kind of hype my video up, and it just kind of helps me just get a little bit more recognition and push me out into the algorithm, which seemingly hates me. Anyways, thank you again to Ipsy for gifting. Thank you to you guys for watching. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.